Sleepless Rib, Seattle.
Tá sin níos fearr na an fáinne uair.
Wow.
Dark Elf.
Tá mé nervous sean. An rama is massa. Tá sé cinnal Jack ganná.
Tá mé ar muinde me go.
Díadit, cén táine matá ort.
Níl simach.
Sláán sin. Caé fuair tú.
Fuair mé prátaí agus bagel.
Cén cinnal bagel. Gathród.
Sais,
yeah. Níl mé cinn se bhui sin.
Tá rudí an, but níl mé cinn se cadíad.
An bhfuil uachtar caiise an?
Tá.
Blasta.
Tá mé có tar seachtaí mé ar tí yogurt a chur ar mar himpeiste.
Cean hinné sin. Táid sa United Lounge. Buchas le Brianna. Mar tháinig siad fuair muid cafa, breakfasta, fuair mé cup an caca, suúiriste, go bhfuil an ábhar tá an. Ní eicem an uair seo riamh. Nuair a bhí ag taistil. Táid go Seattle agus ag still go mór leis. Bhí Brianna in Seattle. Cé bhéad uair? Ja uair. Tá sí an rá leis. Agus faoi láthair táid sleepless ach nílamid in Seattle. Sleepless Rib, Seattle. Sílam go mé mar choú ar an Eáin ach ní hílam go mé Brianna. Hi, good morning. An Marigu. Tá golóir daoine an seo ach níl baria faoi láthair. Tá acrasarin ach bhfuil waithleinn siúlthart agus arc ar na ráhanna atá agin. White lat and psychic chicken a venue.
So, I mean, is Shikine agus is psychic, like Shine.
So, Curhimid Arigid is Jack on agus Jerry Shaylin Kajaya Harlowy a Mahan Shaw or an tourist Shaw Bader.
Bader go make 5 again the new year.
Yeah. He'll make a maid shiny smoke. Size
doesn't matter.
No. No, not for the psychic chicken. I mean, nervous shot. Chiefy Midgenish.
Oh, tá alta screamer. He'll make me like average a wine on.
You've been sleeping and having to wake too early for your pleasure. Neil should think fear. Well, imagine. Yeah, these two sleeping and you had to wake too early for your pleasure. And you. But you've been sleeping. You may find, if you relax, that you dream 1,000 new paths and awake to walk your old one. Dreams are the touchstones of our characters. You'll probably find an answer to a problem you have for a dreamy sleep. Well, shinanish, tatursarum. A dream which is not interpreted is like a letter which is not read. Although it's hard to pay attention when you sleep, relax and you'll be shown great things. The eye sees a thing more clearly in dreams than the imagination when awake. Hey, that's right on my shin, you know. Táiméid ag léir tromlaí faoi láthair in a club leabhar, bhí muid ag caint faoi brainlodgy a rare. Girl, I get shaking.
Bouta Brianna inish.
And shaking and shadowy. At home.
Yeah! Come on, oh.
Well, actually, should more an ama.
Well, Tacaigh into specialty.
Tacaigh into specialty. It's been sitting on this for a while.
He's just a rotten egg.
Of Lofa.
You emerge from your recent fog and get down to business. Life becomes more serious and realistic. If a person takes no thought about what is distant, he will find sorrow near at hand. There is need for good business judgment now. Maybe the quarterback over the Molly to Gaeilge.
Oh.
When things are going well, it's all too easy to become overconfident and not give proper attention to one's duties. If this tendency is recognized early, it may be corrected and no harm will be done. You will also find time after business is settled for friends and or lovers. It is easy to see, hard to foresee. That's profound. It's easy to see, hard to foresee. And shaking my
Fuormid suhantish. Finisha gromid and shaw. Go wackamid and chicken.
Tá sin níos fearr na an fáinne or.
Tá mé níos bráda le a shaw.
No, sin fresh.
Not fanya or. Tacaigh, maar near initiate doing. So, fine for that. Smile at me, you'll make good shit.
Yeah, in marshmallow? They do not go on red tea anyway, but sooner or later, swing their stuff away for a marshmallow.
Smile at me. Ramage, Jira, Hinaka, Lunch, and Walla, Donna. Brianna and our white woman at Shaw. Maar Tacaigh Kinnell Jeff, you know.
Just Kinnell.
Kinnell, Red Bug, you're swinging into air. It's white one, you know, near her main of air. Eric Gomagus, your plan of commission, modern art.
I'm going to be on Arch Coffee, like Geo PC Gumma.
Oh,
the Magdinic earring níos
it hurts us a piece of
near her. I guess you make kinship cake on Minnick, but it's like I'm go home with glad and she a day, and then Tarly shares. So
yeah, and you're white love. Hey, Yana, the brother. You'll make whole cool as shit. Táiméid ag Driglin Old Stone agus Rowney Misha, Trí Kinnell Bior, Le Blasú agus tá Brianna ag Rownú Trí Kinnell ish. agus Yoimid flight.
To go our flights are going in you.
Yeah, Yoimid etchelt Ella. Tanam Shergalanta, Ta and Green and we. Agus tá not seo dúchla daoine. Tá sin an seo iver a hain, so sin old stove pilsner. Dúirt mé old stone níos luha tá brónar am. Seo an Airbnb an láistín tá Brianna faoi chealt.
Me too August and you were on
Níl cead gom go go dtíon lethras ach níl cead aici a bhééis an íseán, so tá sí sa chórnéal, but sin an scaha. Seo an Christian bhog an seomra cadlata. Tá sé teálaí. Telefís patio. Níl sagam. It's maithla mé. Sé ciúin agus suamhneach. Tá mé rudba dáte ag an raon ó inné, mar nuair bhí muid ag an Old Stove Brewery, bhí mé faoin raon agus chuir mé SPF ar ma eye ach a bhád raibh sin agus bhí a raon láidir agus arm ar feadh tamil. Ag fannacht ar lift inis siab ach LYFT. Ag cafe, tá cuma inta jazz ar an cafe a running Brianna, Storyville Coffee. Agus an sin Yoimid a bad. Ar chadal tú go mai?
Oh, yeah. I mean, bhé sé crua gan bhé called the mai tar sin má a bhí with.
Yeah, bhí intas ar an láthid mé mo choú leithreach.
Yeah.
Like, níor hic mé. Bhí adrenaline around,
yeah,
you know.
there's pressure, but sin normal to Thompson.
No, like, bhí mé go bra an cé ná cadal mé mór an, so bhí an táhairm ach inis táid, well, ní dúirt mé é sin cealla. Táid ag fannacht ar Matthew, not GS Murdage. So formid bí ar agus an Tanya ma bí ar an deliverer na Dios Mary agus bhí mu ag mágu mar bhí sé cosla GS Murdage. Táidir an bhád an éis, tá spéicla gréine ar Brianna faoiheadir.
Strachon mé.
Ní eicem thu a spéicla gréine go minic.
Yeah, Jadon Dermot iad a chóirtlam agus an sin bhí caiithim iad mór níos siad a compsa. So
Agus bhí si ag rálam, well bhí is a go méid seo ceama. Tásúla gorma agam, tásúla donna eici, agus mar sin bhí níos mó solis ag golisteach i mo thula hain, so Tá na spéaclaí GE orm.
Yeah, tá mé dorcha.
Táiméid ag bogadh.
Keep that audio in it.
Can I get an Aperol Spritz?
Okay. I see you're ready, please. Yes. And I'll do the Bainbridge Italian lager.
Sláinte. Good, yeah. Kennel pizza a fuirte.
Gourmet pizza a bhfuil prati air agus táis cúpla size táis agus féidir go ráhas agam cadé a sciilge but níl agam inú sleeks.
Cannon or something? Or she got banúsach and red carna a rare. Pizza a will prati air, so.
Ní hiúil go bhfuil red coaching day, but
Yeah.
apparently.
Agus bhí me de Gaeilge mar, you know, an act is far le pizza aisles na stáisiúnta na nua ára formid pizza inné agus iniu in Seattle. Tá ispín núide ar mar ceanhain agus pesto. So mór leis. Agus scissors. The scissors like whoa. Ní raibh mé agsúil leis an site seo, but you know, pizza cutter le feicáil. Táiméid ag fáil uachtarráis agus táiméid ag play an cinál is fearr le dúirt réanna nach míonn si a géirí na grábhla níor háin sútálan le riamh. Nuair bhí mini sóige agus seanbha manis agus níor háin sútálan le riamh.
Sin an rud
Dísan é ach ní ceanóhain
sin an rud leabhar an nóir bhí mé óg.
Oh.
Yeah, like, I need to check it galore, but like, nor we may og, like, shin and raw a wine or.
And you're me running my chocolate, goni. Just chocolate wine, mar, you know, being vanilla, sútálan chocolate. Inis is maithlam chocolate go fóil. Castle of Brianna, be a McGarry Trail and Chas Blast, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Is maithlam ruddy egg so on, like, piece of chocolate, piece of rodella. No, it's brown pistachio. Synodal, wine.
It was my like chocolate, agus ready.
Ní maithlam pishinatalu. Is maithlam in Uachtarracha. Agus is maithlam cookie dough, cookie dough.
Neil may roll hoglish. Up red and wine shock near last me over me oak so still good knock my club and dish. But hot and cotton candy of the road trip. Or Northern Mail. Especially just English. Yeah. Like Neil Black share just shoot.
Well hatching bubblegum, blast bubblegum. Lum Nurabi Maog. Feckham couple of rava and shot.
Couple of our similar. Like Dark Elf. Shin Misha.
Or Lemon Slayer.
August. Is there a knuckle say a gash doctor but Pogue? Pogue McCone.
Pogue McCone.
Kai him with Shoppa up the road to Ascot, Caravan, Cope.
Can we try the dark elf? It's Michael. I'll get a mini scoop of that potato kimchi. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like the biscuit of an Oreo. Yeah. Gan and after and may blasella again. Seder. Neil Shira Hokalish. Thank you. A Kharja for Brianna and Blast is massive. And Rawa is massive. Aaron Viaclar. London fog.
No, Maya Hakliya fog. Maya Hakliya show.
No such thing?
No.
No such thing? Yeah. Well, da me shijanta le Barry's and Atch, Earl Grey. Maginnie's Bar.
Earl Grey has last like lavender air. Tickle lavender.
And Shaw.
So.
Yeah, well. Kajay were Marul, Kharja, and Mulshi Kurhair Calvinish.
Actually, the only Geary, like, just Dini of a fairground comes to Arlenia.
For Misha and Dakion Shaw. Both IPAs for Brianna. Pub ale, nitro, something pub ale. I'll get start.
Tasha show gumai, but Tasha either an cean nar mai chlad formanie agus an cean adome ag amla in you. It's like if you poured the two of them into the same glass.
Ta Brianna ag blashu na ciana rani Misha. Neil sauna sort, so
I mean, like ní Michael IPAs.
yeah.
Actually, like ní far not viagam. Beg on these mahasa, but Neil could code on a kin.
Oh yeah, near hatch na ciana viagam and yay lad Harby.
No.
So Kahi Misha a kinhain of blashu anish.
Tasha grammar though, more like ta na bior tagging, like it's like if you had to guess, like who's who?
Okay, Rani into Biorha, I will come again as or Agoni. That's my home.
Ugh. Really? Could you make it flash or reach to see like
He'll make a maid sheets Jira Fossil Kayla. It's like a meaty taste, which you shouldn't like. And probably isn't accurate, but
smoked ham.
Yeah. Cream of meat. Magic Shul, we an chat tower in a me and pop-up Gaeltacht. Agus Tattenwer Holland Sulugin Gamedini again pop-up. Is Kamalin again am Kerna Mar Bay am Jasagin Kaberby. Bay Jas Brulu Gaelgorian Shaw. Just never know.
Sorry, that's what I was like.
So that's time to make a Magado.
You didn't say grammar because we had a song and I just zoned out because I was like, you'll make her out too, Aaron?
Had a son English?
Dennis.
Huh?
Dennis.
Molly.
Brianna, Molly. Okay. Just will live.
Yeah.
Okay, wishes.
I know. Come on. I guess they're here.
Come on, card to you.
Can ask to.
Associato
yes.
Medical Matla. Yank.
Yeah.
No, it's Yank Bishop Russian, so happy for it.
Okay, Magado.
As an tail element here. Rugby Bay, New Jersey, August coming on in the Arafinish.
Slancha. See it? Came Tanya Mata art?
Just one of which Seamus
Seamus.
Yeah.
Agus cadas tú Seamus.
Rugus Toga, California, in San Diego. Tommy Mahoney in Seattle.
Arrows. Agus cathúr a hosí tú ag fólam na Gaeilge.
Oh, Blianto, and I'm sure to be in Octo Catter in Elshcliffe.
Arrows. In Berkeley.
Yeah, Berkeley, California.
Arrows. Agus an bhfuil tú ag buin soltas an pop-up.
Oh, yeah, chicken jazz.
Jazz búla lá Seamus.
Yeah, just for that freshen.
Díadid cin taine matáir.
Dennis and Tanya Mataram coming Ishgal.
Agus cahas tú, Dennis.
Well, recommend Alaska and Anchorage after the Muffin Shower.
Agus cathúr a hosí tú ag fólam na Gaeilge.
Oh, Gunsi had Shibri and the Jake again. Because, yeah, Dolomarine.
Agus Tacaigh cén fá.
On Kiel, is Spider-Man Kiel, Noida Hashima, Sata, Fulham, Noran, you know, the Nigiri, the Fakli, all and so, yeah, Shana.
Tá chránim an tras Leo agus nachfuil.
Glú Harlem, Sean, as Bas Muyoa, agus Pasca Tatwio, a Hudge, a winch, agus Dolan a Hudge Gaeilge, Waisha, agus, yeah, being much kind, Golden Sea, Gaflaw.
Díadid cin taine matáir.
Switch to Alex.
Jasper lá Alex. Agus cahas tú, Alex.
Well, tugad mé I Texas, ach tá Mahoney an sin Seattle-ish.
Arrows. Agus cathúr a hosí tú ag fólam na Gaeilge.
Seach nó 8 bliain óin. Bhí mé ag géirí an teanga ólam nuair bhí mé óg, so
Imagine why a harde táid a mlí a ríis agus ag an jalú Jimi Hendrix. Is Michael Jimi Hendrix. And my heart home Jimi Hendrix.
Neil Gore always said it. Like, it's Doka Gurhula make kill Jimi Hendrix, but like,
Kinship.
you know, Neil is Sugam, like, oh
Yeah. And Michael at the Hishmori, no, near Chiad Lesh.
Near Louis Shude. So, like, you know, Mana will say the Eagles, like Neil Simmock, you know.
It's comma. Glacky much picture. Agus mas fear is Michael bagels, or hatch and bagels, good more lesh. Pretzel one specifically. La Jasata on.
Just have breakfast, Jimmy again.
Yeah, they breakfast Sir Nashko again in ish. Kaja for two on breakfast slash brunch.
Gourmet, holy not a cow burger.
Mar is fiol Shane Tor E Brianna. So fiber. Yard fiber. Agus vermouth mimosas. Slancha. Agus vermisha breakfast burrito. Agus vimage girach kanch flea burritos. So vime egiri burrito a island shin. Hamage ray. Carol agus couple mín a dhéanamh. Sláinte.